Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Toyota Previa 2 liters D-4D. There are two serpentine belts on this engine. On this video I'll show you how to replace both. Here you can see the top serpentine belt. The other serpentine belt is on the bottom side, and the only thing that it runs is the alternator. We'll start by removing the engine cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I need to get access to the tensioner on the serpentine belt. The tensioner is located down there, the second pulley on the bottom. First we're going to move this hose to the side so that it's not in my way. And now I'll show you a closer view of the tensioner. This is the second pulley is the tensioner pulley. First we need to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then from this bolt we're going to loosen the tensioner. You can see the bolt down there. To loosen the tensioner we need to turn this bolt anti-clockwise and the belt will get loose. To loosen those bolts we need a wrench size 14. First I'm going to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley, which is right there, and then I'm going to turn the other bolt anti-clockwise. Now that that bolt is loosened, I'm going to turn this bolt anti-clockwise until the belt gets loose enough so that I can remove it. First I'm going to start turning it with the wrench, and then I'm going to do it by hand. Now the bolt is loose enough, so I'm going to turn it by hand a little bit until the belt gets it loose enough so that I can remove it. And now I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. That's the serpentine belt out of the pulleys, but to remove it completely I'm gonna go underneath the car and remove it from there. First I'm going to remove the right hand front wheel and also the engine under tray. Now I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. That's the serpentine belt removed, but there is another serpentine belt which is rotating the alternator, and this is the tensioner for that belt. In order to remove that belt, to loosen it, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise, and the belt will get loose and we can remove it. We're again going to use size 14 wrench. You can see now the tensioner turned, so we can remove the belt. and as the alternator belt removed. Before I replace the two belts, I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the two belts. Next we're going to replace both belts. First I'm going to start with the alternator belt. This is the part number for it, and this is the belt. First I'm going to put it around the crankshaft pulley and the alternator pulley, and then last I'm going to put it around the tensioner. I'll put it around the tensioner when I turn the tensioner clockwise. Once I turn the tensioner clockwise, there will be enough space to put the serpentine belt onto the tensioner. And that's the alternator belt replaced. Next I'm going to put on the other serpentine belt. That's the part number for it. First we're going to put the serpentine belt from the bottom to put it around the pulleys here, and then I'm gonna go to the top of the car and put the belt on the top pulleys. Now here at the top of the car, I'll put the belt around all the top pulleys. I'll put it around the tensioner, and then I'll tighten the tensioner. Here you can see the belt is around all the pulleys, and now I'm going to tighten the tensioner with the bolt that's on the front. I'll tighten this bolt by hand as much as possible. Once it can't tighten anymore by hand, first I'll check the tightness of the belt. And if it needs more tightening, then I'll use a wrench to tighten it more. Okay, now I can't tighten it anymore by hand. Like you can see, it needs a little bit more tightening, so I'm going to use my wrench size 14 to tighten it a little bit more, and then we're going to tighten the bolt on the tensioner pulley. Now that the belt is tightened, I'm going to tighten the bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then I'm done with replacing the timing belt. We can see the serpentine belt is now tightened, so that's the two serpentine belts replaced. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.